Where has this sublimation hack been my entire life? This kit is the DTF powder hack. It basically takes our sublimation print and turns it into a DTF print. Yes, that means cotton and canvas materials will work. Don't worry about swapping out inks because we're still going to use sublimation ink. We're just going to switch out the sublimation paper for the DTF film printing on the matte side. I need a little bit of hustle out of you here because we have to put this powder on wet ink. So make sure that there is a consistent layer on the entire design. If you miss any pieces, this means that that is not going to adhere to the canvas and it will be noticeable. Turn up your volume because this is the most important part. We need to melt down our powder. As you can see, there is a smooth side and a more powdery side. Goal is to get everything to look seamlessly smooth. I like to use the method of heating up both my element and my matte and then placing my film in between. Do not close your matte all the way down here. We just want to use the heat from both sides to melt this down. It will take anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. It could be longer, it could be less. Just use your best judgment. This is a great tip for any project. Do a quick pre-press to remove any wrinkles or moisture. Now it is time to center your design and get to pressing. If you would like a full step-by-step tutorial, please check out our creator's Orbit. I know you're excited to reveal your design, but give it 20 to 30 seconds to cool down before you remove the film. These turn out perfect every single time. Of course, they do have a little bit of texture being DTF on the top, but it's not very heavy and it's a great hack to use cotton and canvas materials. Give it a try.